subscribe and join the family. Today I'm going to be doing another review unboxing video, of course with Coeebags, because I love working with them. Thanks to them for reaching out again, because I love working with you guys. So I'm sat on my sofa again today, so if you hear it squeaking, it's a leather sofa. And yeah, ignore my hair because I washed my hair today and then I blow dried it and it's just like frizzy and not a vibe. So just ignore my hair. So I am working with Coeebags again, so thank you to them for reaching out again because I love working with you guys. I've worked with Coeebags multiple times, so I will leave all the links down below to all my previous videos with them. 100% recommend them. I've worked with them multiple times. There's no complaints, literally. This came in about 2 weeks, 1 to 2 weeks. They usually have quick shipping, and it got sent to my actual address this time, so I'm happy that I could get it straight away this time. And yeah, let's just get into the video, and I'm just going to show you what I got. So this is what I picked out this time. A GOYARD, as you can see. It came in quite a big box. I love the green, honestly. I'm obsessed with green. I didn't get a green one, but I'll show you what I got. But yeah, I just want to say this came in about 2 weeks. And the best way, if you want to contact them, just through Instagram or WhatsApp. But I will leave down below their website, their Instagram, their WhatsApp. I'll just message on WhatsApp because it's just easier for myself. But it's up to yourself. I will leave the website down below so you can have a look at all the other stuff they have, because I'm obsessed, literally. Came in this big box, always well packaged, well wrapped. This was like double bubble wrapped, and then obviously in a round box. Obviously I've just unwrapped that already because that's the boring part. It did come with a bag also, so it comes with the shopping bag. So it came in this beautiful green box with like silver writing. GOYARD Rue Saint Honor Paris 233. So it's just in the box like this, and then when you open the box, whoa, it's like a bright yellow. Green and yellow, so cute. I love them colours. It comes with little ribbons also if you want to wrap it up, but I've just taken them off. And then you also get the little receipt. Sorry guys, I just ran out of space there. I had to delete a few clips. But yeah, inside the box you get a little receipt. This box is so big. And then inside the box you get the dust bag. So you get the big yellow dust bag. It also says GOYARD on the front. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. GOYARD. GOYARD. I'm not sure. My French is not the best, even though I did study it for like 4 years in school. But anyway, I'll just open up the big dust bag, and I will show you what colour I picked. If you can guess now, yeah, you're a true fan. Ready? Yes. Of course I went for the blue. Of course. Of course. You know me too well. But they did have like a gorgeous pink one, orange one, green one, like a black grey one. But I just love the blue, and I can't help myself. So obviously it looks a bit floppy now because obviously it's empty and there's nothing in it. But when I put my fingers in it, she will fall into shape. But I just love the print of the GOYARD. It's just so pretty. If you can see up close. But yeah, I went for the large blue one. So like shoulder bag. So I'm just gonna like take all these wrappings off. Like I said, they wrap everything so well, so it like stays protected. So I'm just going to take these off so I can show you her in full detail. Wow. And then also inside, they just package everything so well, so it just stays together. Also inside you get like the little leaflets, like terms and conditions, the little other labels. It's like the little certificates and like how to look after, and I even get like the other GOYARD, like the actual tags. Also here's like the gift wrapping and the stickers. I think it was meant to be wrapped in the box with this and the stickers, but I'm not going to do that because I've already opened it. If you were to buy this as a gift for someone, you could wrap it up for them. But yeah, that's just like the crepe paper that goes inside the box. And then it also has this GOYARD label that I'm just going to take off. I've just ripped that off. I don't know if that's meant to come off, but I don't want it on there. And then also attached like to the bag, you get like the little mini clutch. She's gorgeous. And then they protect everything so well. She's gorgeous. So much wrapping. And then also this. So this is the bag, like empty now. So this is the inside. So you get like the clutch attached to the handle. It's just like this. She's so cute. She just opens up like this. Also on the back has like a little pocket, which also has backing. But also has a little pocket in the back. So I don't know what you'd use this for. Either like a wallet, card holder. I'd probably put like my lip gloss and like stuff in this, but she's so cute. The little purse is so cute. Oh, you can, it is detachable, but I'm gonna leave it on because she's cute, but you can detach this if you like. So you get the little purse, and then also you get like the GOYARD like closure. So it's like 2 magnets either side. This is like how you close the bag. And it just goes like that if you want to close it, but I might take that off and just like leave it open because I think I prefer it just like open. But she's just like a cute, so it's just gonna be my like cute casual everyday bag because I'm obsessed with the blue and she's so cute. So it's like this size. She's quite big. I feel like I can fit a lot in here. But I don't want to make it too heavy because I have a bad habit of like overfilling my bag and then it weighs a ton. But she's gorgeous. So this is her. And all over it does say GOYARD. Has the little bits of writing all over. But I just love the blue. The orange was really cute too, and like the grey pink kind of colorway. I just love the bright blue. I think they do like a navy blue as well, but I just love the brighter blue. Especially as like an airport bag, like hand luggage, I think she's a nice size. You know, you could fit your laptop, makeup bag, your bits and bobs. But yeah, I'm obsessed and I can't wait to use her. I wanted to show you guys so I can start using her as my everyday bag because she's gorgeous and I love the blue. And the other colours in it is like white, black and maybe nude, if you can tell. It's like a beige colour, white and then black in the design. It's like a beigey pink, like a blush kind of colour. But she's gorgeous. I actually can't wait to start wearing her. I need a better, bigger bag for like my everyday. And I think she's gorgeous. I feel like I can fit a lot inside, so she'll be perfect as my everyday bag. My voice is starting to go for some reason. I hope I'm not getting sick again. Please. But yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed and can't wait to start using her every day because she's like the perfect size for an everyday handbag. I do love a mini bag and I do love my small bags, but they're not practical on like an everyday, day-to-day basis. So I wanted like a bigger, larger bag. So she's perfect. She is perfect. And you know, I love blue, so I had to go for the blue. What can I say? What can I say? But yeah, it's such good quality. It's got like the little stitched handles and they're like a quite thick like leather handles. The leather bag and then inside's just white, so hopefully I don't spill anything, but it feels like wipeable material, so if you do spill anything it should be okay and I should be able to wipe it. I think the little magnet closer is so cute. I don't know what they're called, but it's got like the G there and it's just gorgeous. But it just like, you can just slip it right off. It's just like a magnet. But I think that's so cool. I haven't seen that on a bag before. Like that it's not attached to the bag, but she's cute. And then also I love that you get the little mini clutch. It's just got like silver detailing. It's just got like silver hardware. And I'm obsessed. I'll probably put like maybe my wallet but more than likely probably like lip gloss, lip liner and stuff like that. Just because inside the bag there's no like pockets or like inserts, like it's just empty on the inside. So I'll probably put my loose things in the little clutch. I love the size, it's like a perfect size. Let me just show you. It's like a perfect shoulder size. But yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with that. She's gorgeous. Actually can't wait to start. I'm gonna like transfer my bag over now so I can start using her. But I just love the design. I feel like it's such a nice holiday bag as well if you're going on holiday, anyone. But obsessed. And also, if blue's not your colour, they do have like multiple different colours to choose from. But I just love the blue, so I went for the blue. Also, I do have a discount code you can use. I'll just leave it on the screen here for you guys. So you can just use that on the website and save some money. May as well. Also, thank you to Coeebags for working with me again. I absolutely love working with you guys. It's just such an easy process and it's just no stress and it's just great. I love working with you guys and I love the pieces. So thank you so much for this gorgeous bag that I can't wait to use now. But yeah, I will make sure to leave down all my previous videos with them down below. Also their website, their Instagram, their WhatsApp, any other contact you may need, I'll leave it all down below. And if you have any questions or anything, just comment down below and I'll get back to you guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.